In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Evernote to Insightly CRM. By the end, your Evernote notes will be just a click away inside Insightly, making it easier to keep your research, meeting takeaways, and project details connected to your contacts and opportunities. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your Insightly homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct Insightly account and that you have permission to manage your own user settings. If you work in a managed environment, your admin may control some integrations, so it's good to confirm that this connection is allowed for your role. Once you're in Insightly, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may appear as your avatar or your initials. Click that icon to open your personal menu. If you don't see it, try maximizing your browser window or switching to desktop view so the full navigation is visible. From the menu, choose User Settings. This is where you can adjust your personal preferences and manage connected apps. Think of this area as your control center for integrations that affect only your user account rather than the entire organization. On the User Settings page, find the option to connect to Evernote and click Connect to Evernote. This will begin the authentication process. If your browser has a pop-up blocker, you may see a notice. Allow the pop-up just for this action so the authorization window can open properly. An Evernote authorization window will appear asking you to approve the connection. Before you authorize, double-check that you're signed into the correct Evernote account, personal or business, so your notes link to the place you expect. Review the access request so you understand what Insightly will be able to see and do. When you're ready, click Authorize to grant permission. After you authorize, the window will close and Insightly will confirm that the connection is active. You should now see a connected status or an option to disconnect, which is a good sign that everything worked. From here, your Evernote notes can be associated with your Insightly records, helping you keep context and content in one place without copying and pasting. If you run into any issues, like a stalled pop-up, a permission error, or the wrong Evernote account appearing, try refreshing the page, temporarily disabling strict pop-up settings, or signing out of Evernote in another tab and signing back in with the right account. And if your organization manages app permissions, a quick check with your admin can save time. That's it. You've successfully linked Evernote to Insightly CRM, and your notes are now just a click away where you work.